Hello, welcome to Sri Guru Edu. In my last videos, I discussed about data structure and its classification. There are two classifications, as I already discussed. One is primitive and one more is non-primitive data structure, along with the examples. Today, let us see the set of operations which we can able to perform on data structure. The data which is appearing in the data structure are processed by set of operations. What are those operations? Traversing, inserting, deleting, searching, sorting and merging, all these are set of operations. Let us discuss these operations one by one. Traversing, which means accessing or processing each record exactly once. What it means? Look here, I have an array. I'm going to store the element like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this. See, I inserted the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, one after the another in the memory location. This process is called as writing. Suppose if I want to read, then also I am going to read first 10, next will be 20, next will be 30, next will be 40 and at last 50. Whether you are writing or whether you are reading, so we visit the node exactly once. This process is called as traversing. Then another operation that is called as insertion or inserting. It means adding the new element into the existing data structure. It means what? See here. Now only I have entered the set of elements, that is, see, we have the set of elements like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These data elements are stored, isn't it? Now I want to insert one more new element, that is called as 35, where after 30 and below after 30 and just beyond 40. Means at this location I want to insert the new element 35. Is it possible? Or otherwise, I want to insert one element 5 at the beginning, or I want to insert one more element at the last. Is it possible? Yes, either at the beginning or at the middle or at the last. Wherever else you want to add a new element, it is possible to insert. That is called as inserting a new element into the existing data structure. How do we insert? Very next question. How do we insert these elements into an array? We'll discuss how we can insert, what are the methods to insert the elements, what happen, how it is possible to insert one after the another. We'll discuss in the next coming up videos. And another operation that is called as deleting. Deleting the element from the data structure. Deleting the element from the data structure is called as deleting. See how I inserted the new elements either at the beginning or in the middle or at the last. In the same way, I can remove the elements which we don't want, which are stored in the memory. That is called as deleting operation. Next, one more operation, it is called as searching. It means searching. The name itself indicates search, called as finding the location of the record within the set of data elements, or otherwise finding the location of all records which satisfy one or more conditions. See here, we will get two types of searching. One is called as a linear search and one more is called as binary search. With these two methods, we are going to search the required elements which are stored. See, for example, I have a value 10, one more data element 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Like this, I have the set of elements. Now, I want to find whether the element 50 is available or not. If it is available, in which location it is available. How fast I can able to locate the position. All this comes under searching process. We will discuss these two methods along with the examples in the next videos. The one more process that is called as sorting. It is called as arranging the set of data elements either in the ascending order or in the descending order. Say for example, I have values like 5, 70, 50, 35, 10, like this. While I am writing data elements, I have written 5, 70, 50, 35, 10. See, it is not arranged in the order. Now I want to arrange these elements in an order that is called as 5, 10, next will be 35, next will be 70, next will be 50, and next will be 70, like this. See, 5, 10, 35, 50, 70, this is arranged. The elements are arranged in ascending order. Reverse, that is called as 70, 50, 35, 10, 5. This is called as descending in order. Arrangement of data elements in an order is called as sorting. And one more, the last operation, that is called as merging. It is called as combining the records in two different sorted lists into a single sorted list. It means see here, I have elements 5, 15, 25, 35, 50, like this. First set, this is set 1. I have one more set, it is called as 6, it is called as 16, it is called as 27, it is called as 40, one more, and one more set is 55. I have two sets, okay, 5, 15, 25, 35, 50 in set 1, 6, 16, 27, 40, 55 in set 2. So finally, if I merge, means combining these two elements, then how do I arrange? See here, 5, 6, next will be 15, next will be 16, next will be 25, next will be 27, and next is 35, next is 40, next will be 50, and finally the last element 55. You observe the set of elements are arranged in one single memory location which are merged. These elements are merged elements. So let us discuss all these operations one by one along with their algorithms in the next coming up videos. I hope this video is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Regarding primitive data structure and non-primitive data structure videos, link will be given in the description. And also you can follow me on Instagram. Thank you.